JavaScript has evolved over time. New features were added to the language while keeping the old functionality constant. But the only downside was that any mistake or an imperfect decision made by the creators got stuck in the language forever. This downside was taken care of in 2009 when ECMAScript 5 appeared. It added some new features to the language and modified the existing ones. We were given two realms, the old code realm and the new code realm. The new code realm supports all the latest features. And the old code realm speaks for itself. To enter the new code realm, we have to use a directive which looks like a string. So, the key to open the gates of new code realm is this. Locating it at the top of the script will make it work the modern way. Make sure that the directive is at the top, not in the middle of code, otherwise it won't work. Browsers not supporting the strict mode will run strict mode code the different way from the browsers that do. Strict mode code can sometimes be made to run faster than identical code, which is not strict mode. If it doesn't work in case of an old browser, there's an ugly but reliable way to ensure you strict. That is to wrap it inside of this code. But you don't need this kind of hassle, because modern JavaScript supports classes and modules, some advanced language structures that enable use strict automatically. Last thing that I want to clear out is that there's no way back. There is no directive, like no use strict, that reverts the engine to old functionality. If you liked the video, make sure to like, share and comment on what I should talk about next. If you want to see more similar content like this, subscribe my YouTube channel and modify notifications according to your likings. Thank you.